Discovering you have bed bugs can be a nightmare, but before you panic, know that you have powerful and inexpensive tools at your disposal. Forget the myths and ineffective sprays. We're going to walk through the home remedies that people have used to successfully reclaim their homes from these pests. First and foremost, your greatest weapon is heat. Bed bugs, at all life stages from egg to adult, cannot survive temperatures of 122 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. Exposure to this temperature provides an immediate kill, and it's something they can never become immune to. Your first step is to strip your bed of all linens, sheets, pillowcases, and blankets. Take them directly to your laundry room. Wash them, but the most crucial step is the drying. Run everything through your dryer on the highest heat setting for at least 30 to 45 minutes. This intense heat will kill any bugs and eggs hiding in the fabric. Once done, place the clean items in sealed plastic bags to prevent reinfestation while you treat the rest of the room. Do this with curtains, clothes, and any other washable fabrics in the infested area. For the bugs you can see, and for the thousands of eggs you can't, a simple handheld steamer is your best friend. A steamer that produces high-temperature steam is a direct-fire weapon. Go over every inch of your mattress, paying extremely close attention to the seams, tufts, and folds where bed bugs love to hide. Move the steamer nozzle slowly to ensure the heat penetrates deep into the fabric. Don't stop at the mattress. Bed bugs hide in cracks and crevices. Steam the entire bed frame, especially the joints. Steam the box spring, the headboard, and any furniture near the bed, like nightstands and dressers. Pull furniture away from the walls and steam the baseboards and the edge of the carpet. This is a meticulous process, but it is incredibly effective at killing bugs on contact. Next, we move to a silent, long-term killer, diatomaceous earth. Make sure you use food-grade diatomaceous earth. To a bed bug, this fine powder is like crawling through shards of glass. It sticks to their exoskeleton and absorbs their moisture, which dehydrates and kills them. The key to using diatomaceous earth is that less is more. You are not making piles of powder. You are creating a fine, almost invisible dust that the bugs will unknowingly walk through. Use a duster or a small puffer bottle to apply a light layer in key areas. Puff it into the cracks and crevices of your bed frame after steaming. Apply it along all your baseboards and behind electrical outlet covers with the power turned off. A light dusting around the legs of your bed and other furniture creates a deadly barrier. Bugs cannot develop a resistance to it. Effective treatment isn't just about killing the bugs, it's about making your environment hostile to them. A thorough and aggressive cleaning regimen is non-negotiable. Start with your vacuum cleaner. Use the crevice tool to vacuum every surface we mentioned for steaming: the mattress seams, the box spring, and the bed frame. Vacuum the carpets and floors thoroughly. As soon as you are finished, remove the vacuum bag, seal it in a plastic garbage bag, and dispose of it in an outdoor trash can immediately. Now, turn your bed into an island. Pull it away from the walls and any other furniture. The only path for a bug to get to you should be up the legs of the bed. To stop them, use bed leg interceptors. These are small plastic dishes that you place under each leg of your bed. They are designed to trap bugs, which not only stops them, but also serves as an excellent monitoring tool. The most effective approach is a combination of these methods. Start with a deep clean and vacuum. Wash and dry all fabrics on high heat, and then meticulously steam the room. Once dry, apply a light dusting of diatomaceous earth for lasting protection. Seal your mattress and box spring in bed bug-proof encasements to trap any remaining bugs inside. Be patient and persistent. It can take several weeks to completely eradicate an infestation due to egg hatching cycles. Repeat the vacuuming and inspect your interceptor traps regularly. While a severe infestation might require a professional, these proven home remedies put the power back in your hands. With diligence, you can effectively and inexpensively win the war against bed bugs.